Is your video shaking too much? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to stabilize any shaky video using the CapCut app on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up an existing project. Then, your iPhone's camera roll will open. Select the video clip you want. Next, tap Add in the bottom right corner. Now your clip will appear in the editing timeline. After that, tap on the clip to select. Next, slide right to left on bottom menu to find the stabilize option. Then tap on it. Now here, you will see three options like minimal, normal, and strong. Now drag the pointer to the best option like most stable. Then tap OK. Now CapCut will process the video for a few seconds. It depends on your video length. Then tap on the check mark. Finally, play the video to check if the shaking is fixed. So that's it. Your video is now smooth and stable using CapCut on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.